Well, welcome back to the shop. This is our 7,000 subscriber giveaway. Can you believe it? I can't. So welcome back to Butler Customs Motorcycle Shop. We're giving away 6 merchandise items, which includes your choice of 2 hats. You got the gray with the black patch and the black mesh, or the black on black on black. What I wear, that's my shop hat, and then this is my going to town hat. So I try to keep it clean. Or we have t-shirts. Good t-shirts here with the logo on the front, not a pocket, and then the logo on the back. Or you're welcome to have a Butler Customs patch. Same ones I wear on my button-up shirts for work and on my vest and all that stuff. Really nice patches that a lady at church makes. Now for the grand prize, I want to do something special. I tried to electroplate stuff, and what I found out is I'm terrible at it. Kind of like leather work. And I think some of my issue was, well, I had the polarity reversed for one of them. The other one I tried to do for our bike show, I was using these plates, these license plates, and they are aluminum. And I had a steel plate in there to conduct, and I don't guess that's good. So I made this and hand dremeled all of this. So I don't know if you can see it in the light or the glare, but it says June 18th, which is the day that we got 7K, 2025, 7,000 subscribers. And they even signed it for you. Tell your mom and them I said hi. So we will draw for the 6 prizes, merchandise prizes, and then we will draw separately for this right here. How do you get this? Well, you had to email me, so I knew you wanted this. Now, speaking of giveaways, I have some exciting news. If we ever do reach 10,000 subscribers, one of our wonderful subscribers and members donated a motorcycle to give away. And it is a Harley. It's a 90s Sportster basket case. So we reached out to a promotional company, and my wife's been working kind of behind the scenes on that. We found one that had really good reviews, and they seem to be really fitting for our needs. So basically there's a ton of legal jargon they take care of. They host it. They they administrate it. They put all the things in place that needs to happen legally, both with YouTube, social media, state and federal regulations. So they kind of handle all that. It was a little pricey. It's equaled kind of the value of the bike, but they were honestly the cheapest time some companies add on all this stuff, but anyway, they were one of the cheapest, and the owner actually reached out to us and did a video chat with us, answered a lot of questions we had. If you ever want to do promotions, we'll see how this one goes, but I sure don't mind giving you his contact information. Seemed to be a really down-to-earth guy, and I appreciated that, because that's, what we are. We're nothing professional or anything. So that's coming up. So it's a basket case. So we're going to get that, and we're just going to get it back road ready. If we want to customize it, we can. We'll make it kind of our own thing, and then we are giving that away once we hit 10K. Now there are several ways to do it. He said we could take just all of our subscribers and put them in a pot and draw from that. You could do where you can have extra entries to enter in if you buy merch on my site, but they said it doesn't increase the chances of winning, so I don't really understand what's the point then of buying merch if it doesn't increase your odds of winning. But anyway, I asked him about raffling a bike. He said that is 100% illegal. Do not do that. So we're not going to do that. We're going to do the sweepstakes giveaway. We're going to pay the money to have that company do it and administrate it so we know it's legal. And he was kind of baffled because he's like, okay, do you want to gain subscribers from this? And I'm like, no. Okay, do you want to get their emails and their phone numbers and their addresses so you can send them mailers and promotional thing? No. And why are you doing it? Just to give back. So that's what I wanted to start the channel for. I just never had the funds to do it. But with this donation of the bike, I think we're going to be able to do it. Now, if you'd like to be a part of that support, because it is going to cost for the promotional company to do this, you're welcome to Cash App me at Butler Customs on Cash App. You'll see my logo. Make sure you see that logo. Make sure it's Butler Customs. If you have any questions, just email me at butlercustomsmotorcycleshop@gmail.com and I can actually send you a link to my Cash App. Now, can you give on YouTube? Absolutely, but be aware, just like when I did a live last time, people gave on YouTube. They just wanted to bless us, and it's wonderful. And somebody actually gave money for the 10K bike. So we'll put that towards the promotional cost. But YouTube gets their hands in that money 30%. Pretty much. So say you give $100, pretty much 70 bucks of that is all that I get to go to whatever you want it to go to. And I understand, YouTube does their thing, but if you want 100% of the money to go to what you want it to, then, Cash App or some other form might be better for you. Videos coming up. I have the last video of the FXR shovel head, the 82 FXR shovel head is coming out this Friday. It's already uploaded for our members, so it's coming out tomorrow if you're seeing this Thursday. And it is for sale. So it's done. I just kind of ran out of money to put into it. I wanted to add a Springer front end. I wanted to do different pipes. It just didn't work out. So I'm going to pass that on to somebody, and if they want to do those things, that's wonderful. It turned out great. It's a really good shovel head. It's a Goodyear, matching motor, matching frame numbers, clear Tennessee title. It's a really good bike. So if you'd like to get in on that bike once you watch the video, it's the part 4, it's the final one. You can just email me and I'll give you a price. Also the iron head that we did, the Springer iron head, I think that I'm going to sell it as well. I was kind of holding it for a fella, but I haven't heard back from him. I've been trying to reach him. I hadn't heard back from him. And it's just sitting here. And you know me, I hate for bikes to just sit. They will rot. I mean, that's what I spend my time doing, is getting them back from setting. So if you want in on that, I can send you info on that too. I got to clean them up, get some good pictures, and can send all the info and stuff. It has a clean Tennessee title to it as well. Now, our live video chat is coming up July the 20th at 7 o'clock Central Time. And last time we had a bike show, and we're mailing out the awards today. So if you won an award, you'll be receiving those hopefully soon. On this live video, I missed in the bike show that I didn't get to just chat with you and just let conversation flow wherever it wanted to go. So I'm really looking forward to July the 20th to do that. Okay, enough jawing. I have Miss Valerie out here with me. She's running this tap to spinny thing. So our first merchandise giveaway for the shirt or the patch or the hat, your choice. If you win, this is important, email me, hey, I'm a winner. Email me your YouTube username that you see on the screen, and then of course your address and what you want. If you get a shirt, please let me know what size you want, and then I will send you a tracking number once things are shipped, okay? All right, winner number 1 is, and we have our sound this time, Raymond Fluharty. Did I say it? I love these usernames. Raymond Fluharty. I'm always afraid there's going to be one I can't even say or show on here. So congratulations, Raymond. You won your choice of any merchandise that we offer. All right, winner number 2. Ricky McCulley, 3934. You are our second winner. So congratulations to you. And thank you for signing up to win. Go ahead. Third winner now. Rick Stan. Rick Stan. Rick Stan. Stank? No, Rick Stan. Congratulations, you're our third winner, and then our fourth winner. Man, these are adding up, aren't they? Oh, what happened? Oh no. Okay. Mr. Shannon Storm, you have won. I think you clicked spin before the remove thing was gone. Okay. Wait and let it move all the way. See how it's right there and let it go out. All right. Our fifth winner now. And once you win, it kind of removes your name from the spinny wheel. Justin D. Martindale, congratulations to you. And our last merchandise winner. Okay. Now what are we going to do?
Where'd it go?
I don't know. It disappeared, didn't it? Okay. All right. We might have to find a new spinny wheel website to use. All right, PG981. You are our last merchandise winner. Now, we still have our grand prize to give away. So thank you to all you 6 who won some of our merch. Reach out to me at ButlerCustomsMotorcycleShop.com. I'll have it right here for you if you need it. And my email's always in every description of all my videos. All right, so Miss Valerie's got all the names loaded in for our 7K trophy giveaway right here. I'll try to kind of move it around where you can see it. And it is on a Tennessee Agriculture plate. Turned out pretty good, I think. I mean, you know, best I could do. I'm not in the trophy making business. But there was 18. Yeah, there was 18 of you folks that reached out and emailed me, say, I want to get in on that trophy award. So one of the 18 of you will win. Let's see who the lucky winner is. All right, Devonport Creations, you are the winner of our 7K subscriber trophy award celebration. And you know, I was thinking about the 10K bike giveaway, and we're doing that because of you folks. And so many people want to help, and so many people, when I think back of starting the channel, have been so supportive and helped me out in moments they don't even realize. It just kept me going in the YouTube thing. And without folks like you guys, I wouldn't be still doing this. So there were times I wanted to quit, and there are times that filming takes 3 times longer to do something. And but now I'm filming pretty much every day out here. I think I had a couple of promotional reviews, not promotional, a couple of product reviews out this week. We're filming the live now. I filmed on the shovel head that's coming out tomorrow. I'm filming on a 2007 Sportster that I'm doing some work on. So I'm literally filming every day, and it's just become, you know, job number 3 for me. So thank you guys so much. congratulations to all of our winners, and thank you to my wife for putting all this together, keeping up with the names, making sure everybody's accounted for, making sure all the emails are good. I mean, she even started her own email with this promotional stuff of Butler Customs Administrator or office worker. I don't know, CEO. I don't know what she is, but thank you guys so much, and tell your mom and them I said hi.